Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So tie the hairs by taking it from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it and fold it upward like this on the alternative side using the hairstyling tool. Take the hairs in small section like this and fold them on the alternative sides. Fix it properly as we are fixing it. Tie it and after that take the hairs in the between. Now tie the hairs like this by making the plaits. Now after making the plaits we will fold it upward and fix it properly and fix it inside the hairs. Cover it like this and then put the hairpin to fix it properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. You can put some designer clips too on the top like this to fix the hairs properly and it will look more beautiful at the end. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, fix it on the top in a shape of a heart. Now divide the hairs into two parts and then roll them together as we are rolling. After rolling it, we will fold it upward and fix it like this. Around the bun, make a bun-like shape and fix it using the hairpins like this on the sides. You can put some designer pins too to make it look more beautiful. And your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now take the hairs and divide them into two parts like this and then fix them on the alternative sides. After fixing the hairs, collect the all hairs in the between as shown in the video. Use this hairstyling tool to rotate the hairs. Watch it very carefully how we are rotating the hairs. Now take them in the between. Now tie the plaits on the hairs as shown in the video and then fold them upward and fix it inside the hairs. Tie it using a rubber band and fold it properly and put the hairpin to fix the hairs properly. Put some designer hair clips or band pins on the sides to make it look more beautiful and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to take small sections of the hairs from the front, roll them together like this and then fix them on the back. After that, rotate it. Now divide the hairs into small sections and again repeat the process. This time we will take the hairs from the left side to the right side like this. Now after that, divide the hairs into two parts and again repeat the process. Take the hairs from right to left. Keep following the same step for a few more times and tie the hairs in the same manner. After you are done with it, we will roll the hairs together like this and then fold it upward and fix it like this and put the hairpins to fix it properly. Put some designer clips too to make it look more beautiful and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie a ponytail as shown in the video, divide the hairs into two parts and then roll them together like this. Basically here we are not just rolling the hairs, we are taking small sections from the sides and putting them in the between. It will look like the plaited hairs as shown in the video. Try this step very carefully. Now tie it using a rubber band in the between and then we will fold it like this and fix it on the top using the hairpins like this. Fix it properly and tightly and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now take the hairs and divide them like this. Tie it on the one side like this and then divide the hairs and make the plaits on the left side as shown in the video. After that, we will fold them and fix them on the alternative sides properly. Fix it using a rubber band. Tie it, use the hairpins to fix the hairs. Put it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Put some designer clips too to make it look more beautiful. Thanks for watching our video.